This marinated tofu recipe will make you fall in love with tofu with lots of great tips. Ingredients: 1 pound block of tofu pressed for at least 30 minutes and cut into 1-inch pieces. Marinade recipe: light soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, agave, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, oil and cornstarch. In a medium-sized bowl, place the pressed and cubed tofu. Add the soy sauce and toss to coat. Add in all of the other marinade ingredients and toss to thoroughly combine. Ensure all the pieces are coated and let the tofu sit in the marinade for at least 30 minutes up to 2 days. In a pan over medium-high heat, add the oil. Once hot, scoop your tofu out of the leftover marinade and add into the pan. Crisp up your tofu on each side for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until all sides are crisped up and browned. While your tofu is cooking, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to the marinade and whisk vigorously to combine. Once tofu is finished cooking, turn off the heat. Immediately add in your marinade and stir to combine. The residual heat will hit through the sauce and cook off the cornstarch. Stir to combine and let it all sit together for at least 2 minutes. Remove from the stove, serve and enjoy it.